Epic English Corner! Epic English Corner! Hey guys, I'm gonna be very quiet today and do a lot of whispering because it's after midnight here and we're going to sneak downstairs and make a surprise birthday cake for my mom. So, shh. The first thing we're going to do is turn the oven to 160 degrees. I really wanted to make a coffee cake for my mom, so we have butter, baking powder, coffee, flour, sugar or castor sugar, and eggs. So now we're going to mix the butter and the sugar together. I can't get the butter out. Come on! Pour the sugar in. Ooh, take a big spoon and mix the sugar and butter together. Now crack the eggs. Bloop. Stir the eggs vigorously. Drink the eggs because you're a badass. Just kidding. Pour a little bit of the egg in and put a little bit of flour in and stir it up. Ooh, just listen to that sound. Here is where we add the coffee. I've added it to a little bit of hot water and we just stir it in. So now we have our cake batter and we just pour it into the tin that's lined with greaseproof paper. Ta-da! Now we put it in the oven and we wait. However, we still need to make the icing, so we're going to use icing sugar, butter, and coffee, and then whisk it up. So the cake needs about half an hour, so I'm just gonna wait for a little bit and see you then. It sucks. It's so bad. No. So this is the finished cake. It didn't turn out so well. Still, the recipe is good. I'm just not good. That didn't go so well. Maybe better luck next year. Whoa! It's Jamie from the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to go and like and subscribe. Go on. Go do it. We need it. We need your help. Like and subscribe. Over here is a list of all of the ingredients that we used in our video. Ooh, so tasty. Wow. Here is a list of all of the things that we did while baking. If you want to describe how to bake in the future, these are some really useful verbs. Oh boy, that was a funny episode. I hope to see you next week for another one. But for now, bye! English Corner!